Hi there, this is Andy from Skills4umedia, bringing the latest reviews, tutorials and creative experience online. And today I'm going to be teaching you some new origami skills. So make sure you like the video, share the content and subscribe to our channel. Let's give it a go. Why hello everybody and welcome back. And today we're going to be making an origami giraffe. First of all, we're going to fold our piece of paper in half to make a triangle shape. Okay, so from here we're going to fold on or fold in the side panels to make a kite shape. Just like that. How are we doing so far? Great job. We're going to fold over the right hand side over towards the left, and then from here this part needs to be horizontal facing downwards. So we're going to do the next section of the giraffe. So from here I try and make a vertical line here, folding it over like so. So now your shape is looking like this. What we want to do is fold this over the top of this part here. So I just open it out, fold back on itself like so, following the crease, pushing down firmly, like so, and then I'm just smarting up those edges so my giraffe looks awesome. Okay, so let's do the head. I'm taking this part here, folding it back on itself, pushing down firmly, opening it up, and then pushing back on itself. So we have a head, but it kind of looks like a beak at the moment. It looks like a bird. So from here, I'm just going to fold over the beak, down firmly, and then hide that inside. So from there you can see I just push that in the inside to create the head. So all we have left now is the feet and also the tail section. So for the tail section I'm just going to fold it in over the top like that, pushing down firmly, and then I'm going to fold back on itself so the tail sticks out like that. Okay, so that looks a little bit messy. So what we need to do is put it on the inside. So I open up, push it in, folding it back on itself. So we have the tail section. Okay, so to put the legs in, I'm going to take some scissors, cutting out the feet. So from there, cutting out the feet shape, just like that. Let's get rid of those bits and pieces. And then from there, I'm just going to cut a little section out the top here, like that. Of course, you guys probably do a little bit more neater than me. And there we go. Our giraffe is nearly finished. So all we need now is our usual googly eyes to make it an awesome giraffe. I'm sure your giraffe is pretty damn awesome there as well. So I'm just going to stick some glue on the end of the eye. I think I've got a little bit too much on there. There we go. So there we go. That is our finished origami giraffe. So really good job. Well done everybody. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed the content. Please feel free to subscribe. Have an awesome day.